Today I want to share with you guys some realistic but cute hairstyles that are super easy to achieve. Let's begin. For most of these hairstyles, I like to have my hair out of my face because he can already grab and he pulls on my hair, and a lot of times I'm like, Andre, help me with these little fingers, get my hair out of his hands. So a lot of them, like I said, I like to have my hair out of my face, and I really like the sleek bun look. When you're having a good hair day, bad hair day, if your hair is super oily, if it's super fresh. I even do it on wet hair. So this is really good for those days. Pretty much any day of the week. So I like to place it right down the middle, my parting line, and then I bring the hair back behind my ears. All you need is a clear elastic or a hair tie, which I have right here, my silk hair tie. I'm gonna pick up my hair, the ponytail where I want it to sit, and I am going to keep it nice and sleek. Just gonna brush it on a little bit. Gather the hair into a ponytail, a low ponytail where I want the bun to sit. Then I'm gonna take the hair and kind of give it a little twist and bring it up. So some of that hair is kind of sticking up, and then I'm holding it. I'm gonna take the hair tie and tie it up like 3-4 times to make it nice and tight. Nope, don't like how that looks. Let's redo that. I literally will do this like 3 to 4 times. Literally, that's it. It works for shorter hair, longer hair, and you can even take that hair that's kind of sticking out and kind of wrap it around. If your hair is super long, that's really pretty, but if your hair is the same length as mine, that's it. You're good to go.
Yo, what's with the hair, like with the bun hair thing?
Sticking out?
Yeah.
That means I don't care. I want it to look good, but I want it to be fast. That's exactly what this is. This is an I don't care type of a bun. But you know, it's still put together. So obviously I need to include some braids in this hairstyle because braiding is so easy. Well, if you already know how to braid your hair, I'm sure you already braid your hair all the time, right? If that makes any sense. It's kind of easy for you. But this one I like because it's a French braid, but it's like a thicker strand French braid. You're not taking small sections and take big sections. So I'm gonna start kind of like at least 2 inches on top. I'm gonna keep it nice and in the center. Grab a nice big crown section, and like I said, French braid. And I'm gonna keep these sections quite big. And then you can grab all the hair out of your face, which I'm going to do, but some of it is going to fall out because some of it is shorter. But like I said, I'm grabbing big sections, starting from the back to the front and then making my way down. And if you want, you could literally just stop right here, just tie it off with a little clear elastic, and this literally will take you not even 30 seconds to achieve this hairstyle. And that completes the look, you guys. A super simple half braid, not even half a braid. But if you know how to braid your hair, this should be really easy. Should take you like 15 seconds to do, and it's really cute. And it's realistic, you know? Okay, it's time for a ponytail. But it's not gonna be just any ponytail. This one's gonna look like you actually put some thought and effort into it. Not really, let's just be honest. Ponytails, you know, they're the classic. They're for anybody and everybody, you know? I'm gonna pick it up to where I want the ponytail to sit, and I'm kind of keeping the part, but I'm also kind of putting the hair at an angle. I don't know why I'm explaining this as if you can't see what I'm doing. All right, so now that I have a ponytail in, I kind of made it nice and tight. I'm gonna create little bubbles using clear elastics. This is such a simple hairstyle, but it's cute, you know, it gives a different look. I'm just taking some hair out to make it a little bigger before I move on to the next one. And that completes this hairstyle. It's a very bubbly,
it's very
ballsy type of a hairstyle. This is when I feel like I'm gonna conquer the day. That is every day. Okay, I know what you're thinking. Who has the time to curl their hair? I sometimes do, because Andre will take the baby when the baby's done feeding, Baby's happy, fed, and fell asleep, so I have time. I have maybe like max couple of minutes, right, babe?
You want to time it? How long it takes?
Let's time it, yes. This one, I'm literally not going to section my hair. I'm using a bigger curling iron, and it's a longer wand, barrel, whatever you want to call this. It's a barrel. It's not a wand, it's a barrel. And this has a clip. This is the Bioionic. This is the Graphene MX curling iron. This is the 1 1/4 inch, I believe, right? Yes, it's not 1 1/2, it's 1 1/4 inch curling iron. And let's do this. I'm splitting my hair literally down the middle in the back, and I'm starting from the back, making my way towards the front. And I'm taking bigger sections for this because we don't want it to be super precise. We're just giving it a little bit of a wave, a little bit of a bend, that kind of thing.
Take that 5 minutes.
I'm gonna take a little dry shampoo. And I'm gonna do it while the hair is still a little bit warm because I want the hair to really fall out. Not the hair, the curls to fall out. And I'm not spraying dry shampoo into my roots. I'm spraying it kind of in between the hair. Since my hair is fresh, this is just giving that texture to the hair. And it's gonna give it that nice hold instead of spraying hairspray or something else. And then just take my hands and just go in there. So some parts look like it has like a nice bend. Some parts look a little bit more textured, a little bit more wavy. I think the trick to this, to make it look like you spent some time with it, is alternate a couple of sections. I did how many sections total? 6?
6 and 6.
6 out of those I alternated the other way twice. So most of it I went away from my face, and then a couple of sections I went towards my face to kind of give a little bit of a different bend. So that way your hair really stays, your hair doesn't kind of fall into one wave, into one bend, if that makes any sense. So it's still gonna keep that nice texture, it's gonna keep that nice dimension flowing through your hair. And that's it, you guys. Super easy, but still looks really good. It looks like you spent more than 5 minutes on your hair. So obviously, if I curl or wave my hair, if I curl or give my hair a little bit of a wave, it's gonna last until I wash my hair, which I usually wash my hair between 4 to 5 days. Dry shampoo is incredible, especially now being a mommy. It's the best thing in the world. So I'm gonna do something with my curly hair. Usually on like the 2nd or 3rd day, depending when I curled my hair, I will do like different types of messy buns. I will pick up my hair in different ponytails, things like that. But I like utilizing these little pins right here, these little prongs, or something like these right here, these metal prongs. So something like this. They're incredible. You don't need hair elastics. You don't need a hair tie. Those are just so good. So this first one, I'm going to do 2 different buns, but they're gonna be in a vertical. They're not gonna be horizontal. They're gonna be kind of, you know, stacked. Very easy, super cute, and your hair is out of your face, you know? I'm just gonna kind of roughly bring my hair back. Take one of these, or you can just take one of these little twisties. I'm gonna do the twisties, I'm gonna do 2 of them, kind of going X, so they're nice and secure. And I use 2 different sizes of these little twist prongs. I have a larger one, and then like literally half a size, so a miniature one. So I use the larger one for most of the hair, and then the second one I use kind of towards the top and just make sure everything is secure. And then taking the rest of this hair, I'm gonna bring it up right underneath the first bun. And I'm just gonna go back in, see if I wanna loosen anything up. It's literally just two really messy buns with these little screws that are really secured, nice and tight, but they keep the hair really comfortable without giving you a headache. This hairstyle, I'm going to use these right here. There are two of them. These are, I think, 3.5 inches or 3 inches long. I got them from Etsy, love them. I use them all the time. This one is just going to be a very simple, very top knot. It's just gonna be a top knot sitting right here, like a top of your head. I'm just gonna bring all the hair back. I like doing this one when my hair is curly or it has a little bit of a curl to it, a little bit of a wave, a bend, or when my hair is oily, because you can really sleek your hair back. And I'm just using my fingers to comb the hair. That's the baby in the background. Andre's holding him. And then I'm gonna grab the hair and do like a really messy top knot slash bun. Do a bit of twist, but holding it. And then taking one side, the side where I just brought it, bringing it through, and then taking the other one, and then just kind of bringing it from this side. Just gonna take some of these hairs out, kind of even it out. That's it. All right, you guys, that completes the hairstyles. I usually just alternate between these and then so many other ones. I just like to keep it super simple, something that's easy but cute. In my opinion, I think it looks cute. Probably some of you don't, but it's okay. To each their own. But I hope all of you first-time mommies and just mommies in general are doing great. I hope you're finding your stride like I am, trying to find my stride with this new lifestyle. But you guys, thank you for watching, spending time with me. Let me know if you guys want to see some more hairstyles, and please share your hairstyles with all of us. Even maybe some pictures, videos, tutorials. We all will appreciate it. But for now, thank you for watching and spending time with me, and I'll see you in the next one very soon. Do you want to show them, babe? The little one? This is how Andre is helping me film. Baby is, of course, with us, chilling. Andre is using his little carrier that I got for him for Father's Day. So cute.